if you're considering the FREESKY Ranger Air Electric bike and wondering whether it's worth your hard-earned money. Here's my take after looking at what this bike offers. Right away, the Ranger AIR stands out with its rugged design and powerful motor setup. It's built for riders who want a mix of commuting convenience and off-road capability. The acceleration feels strong, and tackling hills or rough terrain shouldn't be a problem for most riders. Another thing I like is the overall comfort. The fat tires help absorb bumps, while the riding position feels relaxed enough for longer trips. Whether you're cruising through town or exploring dirt paths, the bike seems designed to handle a variety of conditions. Battery range is also a major selling point. Depending on your riding style and terrain, you can expect enough range for daily commuting and weekend adventures without constantly worrying about recharging. That said, it's not a lightweight bike, and the premium features do come with a higher price tag. If you're only looking for a basic commuter, you may find cheaper alternatives. So, is the FREESKY Ranger Air worth it? If you want strong performance, versatility, and a comfortable ride, I'd say yes. It's a solid electric bike that delivers plenty of value for the right rider.